All right, I know what this is, but we're gonna open it up together and you're gonna see, because I got this from my buddy, Real Chef Tom. If you're not subscribed to him, check him out. I'll have links in the description below. If you like what we do here at RToD, you're probably gonna like what Tom does on his channel. Now, Tom was up not too long ago. You might have saw some tweets from him and myself with some exploratory work on his Molar Mac. Probably not going to be the last time you see this, but Tom sent me a Retro Chip Tester Professional. Now, this is the bare board, and the way he explained it to me, it was cheaper to buy two than one. Hey, whatever, that's fine. But this is awesome because this is something that I've wanted to start in a long time. And honestly, I would have bought the bare board anyway and populated it. So what is the Retro Chip Tester? This is a really cool project that allows you to test old memory chips from the 70s, 80s, and early 90s. And it's just a really great tool for the community, so we could take these old chips, test them out in a device that's going to be able to output on a display exactly what's going on. So do we have defective memory? Do we have timing errors, incorrect signals? We can also save the ROM, PROMs, and EPROMs to a memory card. This is just a really, really versatile machine, and I think it's going to be a really fun project. So now what I need to do, I need to get a parts list, start ordering the parts, and then start assembling. It's the first time I've actually seen one of these boards other than pictures on the internet. Really, really quality board. I like this. This is one of the daughter boards for it. I'm familiar with the project. I haven't looked too much into it because it was just something I wanted to do, but haven't put the time into it yet. Oh, great. This is the main chip right here, U3. So that's one less thing I'll have to order, but we'll get that soldered on. So this is great. Hey, Tom, I really, really appreciate this, and I guess it's a race to see which one of us can finish building this first. No rush, though. I don't know when I'm going to get time to order the parts for it, but this is great. Hey, it's a really great project. I'm going to have links below to Retro Chip Tester site. So if you don't know about this, check it out. And I'm also going to have a link to Adrian Digital Basement. He had a really great video about this, way more in depth than what I would be able to cover for it, because he built it, he tested it out, and that'll give you a better idea of what this board is capable of when it's fully populated. Also in the description, I'm going to have a link to a 3D printed base that I found. That way this just isn't plopping around on the desk, because you're going to have open traces on the bottom. So that will be nice to kind of isolate it from any loose metal or wires that you might have around, because once this is built, we certainly don't want to short this out. So again, Tom, thank you. I really appreciate it. Thanks for coming up to visit and bringing the Molar Mac, and hopefully we'll see more of that Molar Mac in the future. So we're going to wrap this up. If you're not subscribed to Real Chef Tom, like I said, I'll have links in the description below. Check out his channel. Really great guy, really entertaining content that he puts out. And if you like what we're doing, you'll like what he's doing. Subscribe to him, subscribe to me. We'll catch you next time.